Hello everyone. Welcome to the BRDZ XRPL Ramp platform walkthrough. In this video, I'll show you exactly how we process an XRPL on-ramp and off-ramp transaction, from start to finish. The BRDZ XRPL Ramp is the platform for fiat to fiat conversion with help of XRPL environment in the middle. We use stablecoin on the XRPL environment as the on-ramp and off-ramp tools. With other word, this platform is the enterprise fintech features which built for scale. Now, we try to log in and try the features. Here, I already prepare one account that I can use to test the platform. We start from the main dashboard. Where you can see the ticker live price between stablecoin and the fiats. In the dashboard you can also find the quick access to different features options. Now, we continue to main features. It is on-ramp to off-ramp features. This is where you can convert your local currency or USD into USDC directly on the on-ramp XRPL network environment. Then with the same environment, it will automatically continue with the off-ramp process, which processing from the USDC to your target currency on the backend API integration. On the first test execution, we will try on-ramp using Visa debit or credit card on local currency. And put the target currency on the wallet BRDZ platform, using USDC on the XRPL environment process as a middle tools for on-ramp to off-ramp process. It is using under 1 minute's process trough all the process via backend API integration under the XRPL environment. Now the process complete, you can find the result below the process form. Here, you can find result process in the on-ramp process. You can copy that, and see the real result on the XRPL Blockchain Explorer. After all complete for the first test, we now try to do the second test. In this test, we do the same test in the on-ramp process, but we try to change target to bank local currency. Now, the second test complete. Same with the first test, you can find all the result below the process form. You can find Onramp result and Offramp result there. Then check the hash to XRPL Explorer, it's the same process with the first one. After we try 2 times test, we go to transactions page. Here, you can find all the history of all your transaction process. You can see the Onramp and Offramp history, also you can see the details receipt on the modal history page. You can find the pagination under the history form. You also can find your old transaction that you have made with change the pagination page number. In the future roadmap page, you can see all the vision and development plan for BRDZ XRPL Platform. It will show you what next features will develop and continue with XRPL program and environment. It also shows the core team that fight behind the screen. Now, the last feature and page we need to see is the profile page. There, you can find the user profile include the username, email, KYC status, and client ID. In the same page you can also find the balance of local currency you have on the BRDZ wallet. You can keep your local currency on BRDZ wallet to other payment and transaction on the BRDZ platform. The BRDZ platform will continue to develop new unique features that you already see on the roadmap along with the XRPL environment and program for new startup platform.